I go into my workshop several times a day. I went away for the weekend, and in that time, a song thrush had built a nest. The bird sat for 13 days from the 13th of April. And the first chick emerged on the 26th. I know it's an offence to deliberately disturb nesting birds. So I set up a telephoto lens and hid in my workshop and control the camera using my phone. Both parents fed the chicks despite being constantly disturbed by us working in the garden and in the workshop. The chicks are fed on a diet of worms and grubs. The birds collect fecal pellets and keep the nest clean. Day 12, and the chicks are far too big for the nest. Day 13, and they leave. Just one chick left behind. This jumps out and ends up in the long grass. The other chicks are in bushes and hedges and are fed by the parent birds. Good luck, little ones.